Welcome to the Xero Pack for Coda. This pack was requested by a number of Coda users. Myself coming from a cloud accounting background and being a Xero user, I thought I'll give it a shot and see if I can build something that will be beneficial to the community. Now, a number of features that you'll find in this pack, you can find outside of Coda as well, third-party apps that connect directly to Xero. Unfortunately, some of those packs either cost a lot of money or don't have the benefit of being or living on top of a tool like Coda. So I think this pack will be beneficial to a lot of small businesses, accountants, or bookkeepers. Some of the features that you'll find in this pack is being able to generate tasks and projects for your team or for yourself that's up to date with Xero information. You can build CRMs in Coda, as you may know, and now with the Xero Pack, you can link into relevant data that's coming directly from your Xero account. You can also build some custom dashboards, and that's something we'll get into in a little bit. Finally, you have the benefit of connecting this pack to other packs out there. So, for example, there's a Shopify pack that pulls Shopify information directly into Coda, and that could be used to reconcile e-commerce transactions, for example. Now, this document itself, I'm going to go over some of the features that you'll find. On the homepage, you'll see that we kind of outline some of the benefits to this pack. There's going to be a lot more. This is just a quick list that I came up with. Also, a video from Coda explaining the use cases and benefits of a tool like Coda. Section on tutorials. I'm going to be hopefully adding more of these tutorials in the near future, but for now we have tutorial about how to use the reports and tables, and then a little bit longer tutorial about 12 minutes long explaining buttons and formulas. In the remainder of the doc, you'll see a section with the different reports, and I've basically pulled the reports from a demo account, and you can see how the data will show when it appears in Coda. And by the way, for example, one of these reports here, which is the balance sheet report, um, although the data shows up like this can be customized quite a bit with Coda's powerful formula language and the fact that we can filter and do conditional formatting with these tables as well. We then have a section on some other tables that are not reports. We have buttons, and then within the buttons, so for example, if I go to the invoices section, we can see we have not only buttons to do certain actions with invoice and bill information, but also we have formulas that you can connect to those buttons to, for example, generate new invoices and email them to your clients with attachments. So quite a bit of functionality here with this pack. I have a page here showing a couple of dashboards, and these dashboards are very easy to create. So if you're familiar with Coda, you know how to create some of these dashboards using the tables. If you're not, you can probably watch a 2 to 5 minute video explaining how to do that, and you'll be set to create your own custom dashboards. Finally, I got a page here explaining the power of a database versus something like a spreadsheet that most accountants are familiar with. So there's an article here by Matt Hudson, excellent article. I suggest you take a look at that, and a maker video story from Coda's YouTube page, which explains some good use cases for databases. Finally, I invite all of you, if you have any feedback or suggestions about the doc, or if you run into any issues, please shoot us an email and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible.